At Orora, we believe our packaging touches lives. It's all about the printing, the cutting, the gluing, the moulding, the folding, the stacking, the moving. We design, source, create and deliver packaging solutions that reach millions of consumers around the globe. Our products and processes are industry recognised and award-winning. That's why leading brands trust us. At the heart of everything we do are our customers. Together, we develop custom-made, cost-effective and sustainable packaging solutions. What truly sets us apart is our people. We are one Orora, with teamwork, passion, respect and integrity. Our people are the foundation of our success. It's through our curiosity, our courage, our pursuit of the next innovation that we are leaders in our industry and continue to go from strength to strength. Orora, delivering on the promise of what's inside.